Stay here, Joel.
Stay here. Hold on a second. Perfect home.
Well, we got a textbook good view of this thing right now. Oh my God, we have a good view.
Perfect. You got it, Reed?
Oh yeah. Joel, we cannot move right now.
Holy shit!
Yeah, stay in the car.
Whoa! Oh my God! You can hear the hail hit the thing.
Okay, we need to go. The hail's coming. We need to go east.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
Stop right here. Go right here.
How was that in the air?
Oh. I hope people muscle is coming. We need to radio this thing in. Radio it in, Joel.
I got it.
You gotta see this rotation, Joel. Oh my God. Go. Oh! Whoa! Did you see that? Oh, not good. Oh my God, not good. Oh, what is it doing? Oh shit! It is destroying a house.
That's a house, isn't it?
Yes. Very damaging though.